Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. These are the AirPods Max, a super expensive pair of headphones from Apple. And the funny part is that these headphones do not have the Apple logo whatsoever. Now this is one of those times where I want to show off that Apple logo because these headphones are super expensive and I want to show that Apple logo, but that's not available. I guess that the design is distinctive enough that people will know that these are Apple's AirPods Max. Now you guys have seen the title. The title is an accurate representation of these headphones. Uncomfortably expensive. Let me explain. Let's start with the expensive part first. In India, these headphones will cost you 66,000 rupees. That is just crazy. But before you close this video, don't worry, I did not pay 66,000 rupees for these headphones. I paid 36,000 rupees. Now how is that? First up, I called up my friend in the US who works in Apple. I told him to get the AirPods Max for me. He got a 15% discount and that's how I got it for 36,000 rupees. Now even for 36,000 rupees, these headphones are expensive. They are not cheap by any means and they will burn a hole in your pocket. Now these are active noise cancellation headphones, and the market of ANC headphones, you can find some really good options like the Sony WH-1000XM4s for as low as 21,000 rupees. So why are these headphones so expensive? And the main question is that, are they worth it? Well, let's try to find out an answer to these questions. Right off the bat, let's talk about the uncomfortable part of this video. These headphones are big, heavy and uncomfortable. When I first held these headphones in my hand, I was like, damn, these headphones are heavy. Also, when you're listening to music or watching some movie using these headphones, then they will irritate you after a couple of hours. The first couple of hours will be fine, but after that you will start to feel the weight, hence the uncomfortable part. But the good thing is that the build quality is pretty solid. Apple has used metal all around because of which these headphones are so heavy, and metal does give you that premium vibe. These headphones feel absolutely premium because of that awesome build quality. Now as far as the design goes, I am a fan of these headphones. They look very unique and I do like the overall design language of these headphones. They look absolutely stunning in my opinion. For controlling your music and ANC, you get a couple of buttons. You get a digital crown which is directly taken from the Apple Watch. This can be used for volume control by rotating the digital crown, and if you press it, you can play or pause the music, and you can also skip track and go to the previous track. The second button is used to switch between various modes: the active noise cancellation mode, normal mode and transparency mode. Talking about active noise cancellation, that is the main feature with these headphones. Active noise cancellation works like a charm on the Apple AirPods Max. Now this active noise cancellation will help you reduce the surrounding noise while you're listening to music or watching movies. This is extremely helpful in a lot of scenarios. For example, if you're on a plane or a train, if you're traveling, then active noise cancellation helps a lot because the surrounding noise is just cut off and you can enjoy your content. I am very happy with the ANC on the Apple AirPods Max. You also get two more modes. You get a normal mode which is basically ANC off, and then you get a transparency mode. Now what is this transparency mode? So transparency mode will use the microphones around the headphone to let in sound. Basically this is opposite of active noise cancellation. It will actually let in sound and you can hear everything in your surrounding. Now again, this is very helpful while you're walking on the road or something like that where you want to hear the surrounding noise. Now I've got to say, transparency mode on the AirPods Max is by far the best that I've ever seen. Transparency mode works like a charm even on higher volume levels. So if you're listening to your favorite song at 90% volume, even then the transparency mode will work, which is excellent. So yeah, Apple has done an incredible job with the transparency mode on the AirPods Max. So that was active noise cancellation and the other modes. What about the main thing, that is sound quality? How do these headphones sound? I'm happy to report that AirPods Max sound incredible. The sound quality is just amazing and Apple has done a very good job in terms of tuning these headphones. There's a good balance between the mids and highs and the lows as well. It's not like one frequency is dominating. There is a good balance between all of them and you will have an excellent time while listening to music or watching movies with these headphones. Now these headphones are meant for normal and casual use. They are not meant for professional use. You will not get a flat audio signature out of them, and I think that is a good move because Apple's end consumer are normal people. They are not trying to sell these headphones to professionals. They're trying to sell these headphones to normal people who listen to music, watch movies, or in general watch Instagram reels. For them, the sound quality is top notch and I do like it. Also, the volume levels are very good. These headphones do get loud, and when they get loud, they bleed some music as well. So the surrounding people will get to know if you're listening to an embarrassing song. So please make sure that your volume levels are in control. All in all, I'm super happy with the sound quality, no complaints over there. Now, if we talk about the ear cushions, these are extremely comfortable ear cushions and you can easily replace them as well. They are magnetic and you can buy a pair from Apple's website, which again are very expensive. But the good part is that you can easily replace them and Apple will sell them. That is a good thing, that availability is right there. Also, one fun thing is that you can order a different color. So you can order the blue one or the orange one or the green one and make a really good combination with these headphones. I'm going to do that very soon. That will look absolutely stunning. Now, these headphones are smart as well. They come with a dedicated H1 chip which handles all the smart features. For example, they connect seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem. Your iPhone, iPad, Mac, it works very good with everything. That is kind of expected at this point with Apple's products. Also, when you're listening to something and remove these headphones, they'll automatically pause, and once you put them back on, they'll automatically play. This feature works really well thanks to the H1 chip. Now, one of the stupidest designs with these headphones is this case. This case is an embarrassment, to be honest. Like, this case does not feel like Apple. I would not even call it a case. It's just something that comes with the headphones. I do not like it at all. And the funny part is that when you put the headphones inside, the lightning port cutout doesn't even match. Like, Apple, how can you ship this case with the AirPods Max? It's an embarrassment to your name. Like, come on. It looks good, don't get me wrong. It looks good, but the fit and all is not good. The quality is not good. I'm just gonna throw it away. Now, what about battery life and charging? Apple claims a battery life of up to 20 hours with active noise cancellation or transparency mode on, and that is pretty accurate. I was getting somewhere around 17 to 18 hours of battery life with these headphones, which is really good. Also, for charging, you have the lightning port. You do get the cable inside the box, and if you charge it for 5 minutes, you will be good for 1 to 1.5 hours of listening time. That is really good. You do get fast charging over here. Now, let's answer the main question. Are these headphones worth it? No, they are not worth it by any means. I would say they are very similar to Sony WH-1000XM4s, which you can get for as low as 21,000 rupees in the sale period. So if we do such a comparison, then I would say go for the Sony WH-1000XM4s because they're like 98% of the same headphones. So you should definitely go for them because you will save a lot of money. That is the logical thing to do. But with that being said, why did I buy the AirPods Max over the Sony WH-1000XM4s? That is a good question, my friend. I bought them for the same reason that Apple launched them. Apple knows that this is ridiculous pricing and they're okay with it. It's like a Gucci or Louis Vuitton bag. They're really expensive and don't make sense. But people don't care about that. They just go ahead and buy them. So yeah, these headphones are ridiculous and they're expensive, but people are going to buy them. That's just the reality of it. So anyway, that's been it. This was my fun video about the AirPods Max. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.